he is. Hey, we're getting left behind, buddy. Now I'm able to enjoy the road. Leave all these idiots behind that are annoying. He looks like he could kill me. Oh my god, it got real. Wow. Who's getting pulled over? Is it me? Holy crap, a police chase. Oh my god. What best footage can I ask for? I want to go and I want to see. Go. This is fucking cool. No, stupid Google. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. Ah, he went on the left. I know what's good at. Oh, they stopped right there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be. I'll pull over. Fuck this. I wanna see, lady. Get off my way. Hey, I got a camera too! Ah, shit!
Video that shit?
Yeah! I know! Yo, I like... Did he crash?
Yeah!
Holy shit, is he alright?
Yeah, he's going too fast!
Damn! Yo, I was chilling over there and I seen these cops busting U's and I was like, what are they up to? Yeah, and then I guess they caught him up over there, and so now they caught up to him. That was so cool.
Drive this way and that's it. Then the cops was over there. Over here. And then I heard the sirens. Then I see him hauling ass. He's trying to make this turn here.
Oh crap, he must be drunk if he couldn't make that turn. Or just on some good old drugs.
He was parked in traffic.
Damn, was he out?
Got up running, man.
Oh, they got him already?
Yeah, they got him for $1.
Damn. I got caught up on a red light. I was like, I want to see all the action. Oh my god. No wonder. That's cool. I was hoping to get good footage. Yeah. This is good enough. Oh man, that looks freaking dope. I'm gonna go hit up the snow in a bit. Right. See what's up there. Alright man, take care. Oh man, he got caught up. That was so cool. I'm recording. If I'm not, it's gonna suck balls. Yeah, I'm recording. What time? I don't know how to wheelie. That was so cool. Oh my god, I can't say anything without Google thinking I'm trying to talk to it. I said cool. I'm listening to some music. Alright, let's see what's up with this music. Oh yeah, like I was saying before that California life hit, I'm just gonna test out this setup. Can't see crap. The setup to see if it looks pretty good. I hope it does. Oh, I'm gonna put some Iron Maiden. Oh yeah. Oh man, so much cars. This is super cool. He had a bad Thanksgiving. He said, you know what, screw this, I'm gonna go. Whatever he did, hopefully it comes out in the news. I can follow up on that, like on the local news. I'll turn around some other place. Not here. Everybody's either hungover or drunk still, I guess. Look, there's another. Here's another cop. You know what? I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna record a aftermath. Math, whatever it is. Let's go, buddy. There's still sirens. Holy crap, I guess he got messed up. That's what he gets for running away. Then again, that was pretty cool. He knows he's gonna go to prison. I don't blame him. Probably had a sack of drugs. Yeah, buddy. Go say that. Delinquent. I should have. Wasted years. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go back. Freaking light. My bike is fast, so the cars are slow. Oh yeah, so I had this bike for like, I rode before for a cool minute, but I got this bike on May, was it? It's currently November. I had a 650R before. 06 first year. It was pretty good. Pretty comfortable, but not enough power. Or more like I got used to it. Come on. See if we can do a nice U. Ugly U. I'm not trying to go to that.